I'm Vishali and I live in New York. I came to Kolkata for a visit and I saw this place online, which also incidentally happens to be near my house where I'm staying. So that worked out perfectly. And so I just decided to drop in and see how this would be. I've never done PRP before and I'm pretty chicken as a person, so I was super hesitant on having an injectable put into my scalp, no less. So I came in with a deep hesitation, and then but then they were, everyone was very nonchalant, and I was like, oh, okay, I should just do this. And so then I scheduled an appointment, and we did the procedure, which began with them began with the consult. That was free, so that was good. And then they told you the different routes that you could go. And since I could only do it one time, I decided that I would just stick with the PRP with growth factor because I'm also super old. And so then after that, we scheduled an appointment, and I come in, they draw my blood, and they centrifuge it, and it's about like 10 mils. I think it's 10 mils. Anyways, and then centrifuge it, get my plasma, and then reinsert it into my scalp, which I was still pretty nervous about. Anyways, so they take me into this room and they spray some betadine or some stuff on my head. And then he proceeds to inject it in various areas of my scalp. And it's a little painful, maybe a little bit more than a little painful. And then it's done in about 15 minutes. And then you get this massage, which feels good. And then you go home, and you're not supposed to wash your hair or put water on your head for that night. And so that's what I did. But it was painful at night, and the following day my head was sore. Not horribly sore, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say I was about 7 sore. And this is day 2. I did on Saturday, Sunday, today's Monday. Yeah, so today's day 2, and it's like 70% better. So today I would say my pain is maybe 2. I can just feel that, that I did something to my scalp. But I think that would, if you had your hairs, do the braiding session or something like that, I think you would feel the same thing. And that was it. And so hopefully my hair will grow a little bit healthier. At least I'm keeping my fingers crossed.